If you dream about gold but your bank account screams no, welcome to the club. Let's laugh through the pain together. Every time I hear gold is at an all-time high, I check my pockets, just in case. Spoiler alert. Still empty. Somewhere, people are investing in gold bars. Me? I'm over here flexing my 5 gold stars from Mario Kart. It's like, congrats, gold is more valuable than ever. Meanwhile, I'm wondering if I can pawn my grandma's costume jewelry. Or maybe trade in my goldfish? Just kidding. Unless? So, next time you see those headlines about booming gold prices, remember, some of us are rich in memes. If you felt this struggle, smash that like button and tag a friend who's also ballin' on a budget. Hang in there, one day we'll glow up too.